Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video, we are going to cover IIT Olympiad Foundation of topic pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10. Let's start. So IIT Olympiad Foundation of class 10 pair of linear equations in two variables. Find the values of a and b. The linear equations 2x plus 8y equal to 15, ax plus by equal to 45 have infinitely many solutions. Options are 624, 15, 14, 46. Take down the given equations. So what is the infinitely many solutions condition, guys? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Substitute the values and simplify. We get a equal to 6, b equal to 24, guys. We get a equal to 5, a equal to 6, b equal to 24. That is option A. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.